Hi, this is Luke, and this is KD1 Kinetic Drive from McDSP. Now, this is a saturation processor for the APB system, which means that everything you're about to hear is happening through real analog distortion circuits that are on the APB itself. On drums, I'm using the wideband all-wheel drive mode, or AWD, to add audible chunkiness across the spectrum. On bass, I'm using the rear-wheel drive mode to add some extra edge that's centered around the low frequencies. And on piano, I'm using it for a more subtle treatment, just to get away from some VI cleanliness that didn't quite suit this track. So back over on drums, the controls are pretty simple. So I have a drive control, which is the gain into the saturation circuit. Pull it back. And then our three flavours of distortion. So front wheel drive has a high end emphasis. Rear-wheel drive has some emphasis in the low frequencies, and all-wheel drive is a wideband mode, which is the one I'm using on my drums. And each one of these has its own real circuit on the hardware. The Kinetics control adjusts the amount of signal compression and supply voltage reaction. So on this washy ride cymbal, you can really hear that compression kicking in. I also have this focus knob, and this allows me to add an extra layer of saturation that is focused or targeted on a certain frequency. Let's turn up the amount here. Now, there's nothing to stop me from using KD1 Kinetic Drive across my entire mix. So this time I've got the wet signal dialed back and the dry signal dialed back in. And that way I can fill out and add some density to the low level stuff, but keep my transient information and punch for my mix. So that is KD1 Kinetic Drive from McDSP. Real analog distortion with recall and automation too for your DAW. Head over to the Production Experts blog to find out more.